تشكيل. The verb noun of the verb تشكيل is شكل. شكل. Okay, you follow me? شكل is to assign diacritics, to shape in a particular way. شكل is the verb noun of the verb شكل. شكل. Okay, شكل is the verb noun of the verb شكل is to tie, and that's the most important piece, is to tie, is to tie something. تشكيل includes the vowel marks termed حركات. حركات. حركات is a plural. حركة is a singular. حركة. Okay, and what is a حركة means? It just basically means motion. That's all it means. حركات, which are used in the Quran, for example, indicate short vowels, long consonants, and some other vocalizations that inshallah I will cover all of them one by one. So تشكيل was developed after the i'jam, the consonant pointing. Abu al-Aswad al-Du'ali created the i'jam, which is the darin, the nuqat, and then al-Khalil created the tashkil. So just remember that the main purpose of the tashkil or the harakat is to provide a phonetic guide to make learning Arabic easier and to show the correct pronunciation. So let's get to tashkil or to the harakat. All right, we're going to start with the حركات قصيرة, which is the short vowels. حركات قصيرة. All right, short vowels. Short vowel marks. All right. Now, the short vowels or حركات قصيرة are فتحة. The first one is فتحة. You follow me? First one is فتحة, is a small diagonal line placed above the letter, and it represents a short ah, like the ah sound in the English word cat. So if I put a line here, right, the fatha comes right here, and it gives us the sound of ah, like in cat. All right. Now the word fatha itself means opening and refers to the opening of the mouth when producing an ah. Fatha, ah, ba, ta. For example, kataba with the fatha on all the letters. Kataba. To assign the fatha, ka, ta, ba. All right. Therefore, the base consonant is kaf, ka, ta, ta, ba, ba. When the fatha is placed above the letter, this is the sound we get. Ka, ta, ba. Now, The next haraka or the short vowel is Damma. Damma. All right, the Damma. Damma is a small curl like diacritic placed above a letter to represent a short U, as in Duke, or shorter U. Okay? It's an apostrophe like shape written above, huh? Written above the consonant which precedes it in pronunciation. It's like a small wow. If you look at the wow here, it's like a small, very small wow that you put on top of the letter. For example, kutubun, kutubun. If we assign the Dhamma, it's ku, tu, bun. This one has two, but we'll explain that later. Kutubun. Therefore, the base consonant is kaf is ku, ta is tu, and ba is bu or bun. The word Dhamma actually in this context means rounding, since it is the only rounded vowel in the vowel inventory of the Arabic language. When the Dhamma is placed above the letter, this is the sound we get. Ku, tu, bun. All right. Now, the next vowel is Kasra. Is Kasra. I'm going to put the line here. Now, Kasra is a similar line below the letter, like the Fatha, but it's below the letter, huh? Below the line. It's called a Kasra and designates a short E. Designates a short E, as in me, or B. The base consonant is, for example, in kitab, let's do kitab as an example, is kitab. And if I want to assign the kasra, it comes underneath the kaf. Kitab. See? The kasra comes underneath. Now, the base consonant is kaf, ki, ta, ta, ba, b, kitab. When the kasra is placed on above the letter, this is the sound that we get. Now, the last one is the sukun. All right, last one is sukun. Sukun. Now, sukun is a circle-shaped diacritic placed above the letter. Just a circle. Just like a hat, a small circle. It indicates that the letter to which it is attached is not followed by a vowel. It is a necessary symbol for writing consonant vowel and consonant syllables, which are very common in the Arabic language. Like, for example, dad, when you say dad. This dad, that's the sukun. In Arabic is dad. See the sukun on top of the dal. Da, dad. For example, kutub, for example. Kutub, books. If I assign diacritics, this is kutub. And here is the sukun, kutub. Kutub. The base consonant is kaf, ku, ta, tu. And the ba is b, kutub, books. The sukun may also be used to help represent a diphthong. And I'll give you an example. If fatha followed by a letter ya, fatha followed by a letter ya, for example, with a sukun over it, it indicates the diphthong I. When a fatha followed by a letter wow, you follow me? When a fatha followed by a letter wow, and with a sukun, it indicates the sound ow. It indicates a sound ow. So when the sukun is placed above the letter, this is exactly the letter or the sound we get. It's a pause letter. B. It's a pause letter. All right. We covered the Fatha, Damma, Kasra, and Sukun so far. They are essential components of the Arabic script, aiding pronunciation and understanding. This diacritic marks differentiate similar words and also supports verb conjugation and enhance reading and writing clarity. Understanding and utilizing these vowels, especially the short vowels, are fundamental for mastering the Arabic language skills. Now, before we get to the long vowel marks or حركات طويلة, I would like to practice all of us together the short vowels on all this Arabic alphabet. And we'll start with the alif. We will do all of them. We will do the fatha, just for ease. We will, inshallah, do the fatha, the damma, the kasra, and the sukun on all the letters, inshallah. For example, alif will do a, u, I, a. Alif, a, u, I, a. Ba, ba, bu, bi, b. Ta, ta, tu, ti, t. Tha, tha, thu, thi, th. Jim, ja, ju, ji, j. Ha, ha, hu, hi, h. Kha, kha, khu, khi, kh. Dal, da, du, di, d. Dhal, dha, dhu, thi, th. Ra, ra, ro, ri, r. Za, za, zu, zi, z. Sin, sa, su, si, s. Sheen, sha, shu, she, sh. Sod, saw, so, si, s. Dod, da, do, di, d. Ta, ta, to, ti, t. Dhad, dha, dho, the, th. Ain, ain. A, عو, عي, ع. غين, غا, غو, غي, غ. فاء, فا, فو, في, اف. انقاف, قا, قو, قي, ق. كاف, كا, كو, كي, ك. لام, لا, لو, لي, ال. ميم, ما, مو, مي, ام. نون, نا, نو, ني, ان. واو, وا, وو, وي, او. And ha, who, he, and ya, you, ye, I. Remember the one what that we tried with the fatha before the ya? I. All right. And now this is how you practice with the Arabic alphabets. Next, we'll do the long vowels or the حركات طويلة.